everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to make your background blurry while joining a Google Meet via your video. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the official Google Meet website. After opening a Google Meet, guys, and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can either create a new meeting or you can enter an existing meeting via link or code. So guys, if you click on this option right here, we can either create a meeting for later or start an instant meeting. So guys, let's say that you're joining a meeting and you have entered the code right here. And after that, guys, you'll click on this join button, and after clicking the join button, guys, this will then take you to this page right here where you will have to confirm if you're ready to join. You can select if you want to turn on or off your microphone, and you can select if you want to turn on or off your camera. So what you can do, guys, after you have turned on your camera, as you can see, mine is turned on, but I do not have a camera, but it will work the same for you. What you have to do is go ahead and click this option right here in the lower right corner called apply visual effects. So guys, go ahead and apply visual effects, and now this will open up this new tab, guys, where you can apply visual effects to your camera. And guys, here you have a lot of backgrounds that you can use, but guys, if you look at the right side of the screen, you can see these two options right here that enable you to either slightly blur your background or to blur your background completely. So you can choose one of these options if you want, and then this will blur the background behind you when using your camera. If you want to turn it off, guys, just go ahead and click turn off, and then it will be turned off. So guys, after doing that, you can go ahead and join the meeting, and then you will have a blurred background. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.